Hello guys, welcome to my Andwin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant not updating update stuck on 0.1 kbps. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Valorant is not updating and showing error update stuck at 0.1 kbps, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the task manager. For that you just need to right click on start menu and click on task manager. In this, you need to close one by one all your unnecessary programs and you need to find your Valorant. Suppose if this is your Valorant, just right click and end task. After that, click on start menu, then click on settings, click on Windows update. If your Windows is not up to date, then update your Windows. After updating, just close this window and try the third method. Just click on start menu again, then type here control panel. Click on control panel, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter setting. Here you need to click on through which you are using the internet. If you are using through Wi-Fi, just right click on Wi-Fi. If you are using through wired cable, just select Ethernet. Just right click on that, click on properties, click on internet protocol version 4, double click on that. Here you need to use the DNS 1.1.1.1. Come to the alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. After that click OK, then click OK, then close this window. After that again you need to click on the settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. After that you can see here virus and threat protection. Click on manage setting. After that you will find real-time protection. You need to disable this option. Just click on yes. Now close this window. That's it guys. After trying all these methods, your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant not updating update stuck on 0.1 kbps per second. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.